Storm Alert Weather 12 with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
And the sun has set on this Friday. Beautiful view from Gold Beach. Everybody got to see sunshine today. It took a little bit longer in Grants Pass, but we at least saw some sunshine, and that trend does look to continue as we head into the weekend. Right now, 57 degrees in Gold Beach. Tonight, I do expect fog to settle back into Grants Pass and in many of our west side valleys. A bit less widespread as you get towards Medford, and will likely stay clear in Ashland. But it will be cold tonight. Temperatures falling below freezing in our west side valleys, down into the 20s in Siskiyou County, 21 the overnight low in Klamath Falls, and down to 22 in Lakeview, dipping into the 40s along the coast. And then tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, in the Medford area, likely looking at things clearing out. It's possible the fog could be a bit more stubborn again tomorrow, but more than likely, especially with how today played out, we're getting a chance with the sunshine to dry this air out even more. So that's going to mean less in the way of freezing fog. Temperatures should boost back up into the 50s if we can see enough sunshine tomorrow in the Medford area. If clouds break up a bit quicker in Grants Pass, we'll climb up into the 40s. 52 the high in Klamath Falls, up to 58 in Mount Shasta. Everywhere else, more sunshine and very mild weather. Not going to be as warm in Brookings for you folks. 61 degrees the high tomorrow on your Saturday. Inland valleys, the air stagnation advisory continues through 10 a.m. Tuesday. We'll continue to deal with poor air quality and hazy skies for our inland valleys in the days ahead, especially at night and then in the mornings. When it comes to futurecasts, we look rather sunny for the region after that fog lifts in our west side valleys. We will look for mid to high level clouds streaming in for Sunday. Not going to see any precipitation with this, and a lot of these clouds will clear right on out as we head into Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So over the next few days, maybe doing some wine tasting. Clouds and fog could be a little bit more stubborn up in the Umpqua Valley, but elsewhere, it's looking like beautiful weather in the afternoons. Some pretty mild temperatures. Most spots seeing highs climbing into the 50s over the next few days. And it's going to be still some pretty mild weather up on the mountain for Mount Shasta, the ski park, seeing temperatures topping out generally in the low 50s right through the weekend, and some more melting taking place. We will keep an eye on late next week. It does look like this ridge of high pressure will break down, but that can be a slow process. So just some small chances for rain and snow late next week, but it's pretty small at this point. It might take us a bit longer to actually get a more healthy storm system to move into the region. In the meantime, lots of sunshine tomorrow for the coast, some passing clouds on Sunday. Northern California, our mornings will stay cold, but afternoons mild with bright skies and highs into the 50s through the weekend. For the Klamath Basin, we'll continue to see those cold starts, but high temperatures running well above average as we head right into next week. Up in the mountains, we're going to continue to shrink that snowpack. Very mild conditions, maybe some wet weather late next week, but that's a big if. And then in the Rogue Valley, trending milder as we go through the weekend.